Hey everybody, Charlene with the Roadrunners, and I'm back in Tampa tonight at the Marriott at the airport. And as always, I'm a big fan of this hotel. And there's the bathroom. This is room 519, so it's kind of inset into the center of the building a bit. Gives me a little more room. It's a little oddly shaped, but that's okay. It's a nice big room, much quieter AC than what I've had the past couple of nights. I basically did 3 hotels, 3 nights here in Florida. But yeah, I kind of like this. Kind of nicer than the other ones I had back in December. So you can see out to the sea gates, I think. Nice comfortable bed. All the things over here. And lots of outlets wherever you look. So I'm really beginning to have this hotel grow on me. I really like it. So hope everybody's had a great Sunday. I've had a very nice day. Had some Bob Evans, one of the only ones in Florida. Really enjoy that. So yep, tomorrow early up and out back to Mobile. Should be back in Gulfport by 9 and then home by 10. So hope everybody's had a great Sunday, and we'll be back soon.